Top 5 scariest animals. Number 5, this is the scary fish with loads of teeth. And for number 4, this is the shoebill. I don't like how he looks at me. Number 3, this is the water toad. He's after doing something. I'm pretty sure he's after doing something. Number 2, Frank. Number 1, this green grotesque goblin. I think his name is Norbert. And for number 1, we actually have a voice recording of the creature.
Jerry Norbert here. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.